Hi everyone, this is Prashant Parthiban. Today I'm going to cover generative AI use cases in PNC insurance claims assignment process. Before looking at the use cases, we'll look at the definition of claims assignment process. Step number 1 in claims process is first notice of loss, where you create a new claim within a claim system. Step 2 is we segment the claim based on its complexity and other factors. Step 3 is assignment, where we need to assign this claim to a group, an intern, and user within that group. So when we do that, there are different ways we can do it. One is, as you rightly see here, manual assignment. Someone assigns to an adjuster to work on the claim manually. The second way we can do that is automatic. When I say automatic, round robin. So if there are 5 adjusters within a group, you assign to adjuster number 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, 5, and then back to 1, 2, 3. So it's a cyclic way where we assign the claim. Third one is weighted workload. Sometimes in terms of round robin, it could be possible that I have complex claim assigned to adjuster A and then simple claim assigned to adjuster B. And then when I come in a cyclic way, again a complex claim can go to adjuster number A. So to avoid this, we look at their workload and then assign the claim accordingly. That is what we call it as weighted workload, so that there is equal workload across all the adjusters. The fourth one is location based. Sometimes if you have a claim in California, we make sure that it's assigned to the same, it is assigned to the adjuster within the same region. Now, in today's traditional way, we have to configure, say, I'm going to follow round robin, which means in certain scenarios, if we wanted to follow weighted workload or location based, we have to reconfigure the system. So it's a lot of additional tasks have to be done. So in case of generative AI, say you are using a Gen AI model, which is based on foundational models, you can dynamically assign the claim based on the incoming claim factors. As we know, generative AI can read n number of data variables plus the existing data variables in billions, plus it can generate new logic. In this case, it can read so much amount of data variables about the claimant, plus it can read so much data variables about the insured team. When I say insured team, adjuster team, based on these data variables, it can have a logic to say, example, if I have a claim, for this particular claim, it is best to use weighted workload. For this particular claim, it is best to use hybrid approach, where certain times it will use round robin, where certain times it will use weighted workload. In certain scenarios, it will be like both automatic and manual, where you do assignment in case of natural disasters. If you want somebody to look at the claim, you have a prompt where CSRs or some critical users can assign the claim. So that is what we call it as generative AI model-based claims assignment, which will be dynamic, where based on the incoming claim and based on so many factors, right? It could be natural disaster claim, or it could be claim where a specialty team have to look at it. Based on the dynamically, it will create assignment logic. As we know, generative AI capabilities to generate the new rules or content, so that you don't need to reconfigure every time there is a unique kind of scenario. This is what I would like to cover. When it comes to claims assignment, it's very straightforward, where we have dynamic claims assignment process based on the incoming claim and based on the nature of the insurance company. This generative AI model can generate assignment rules specific to that claim. So if I get second claim, it will be unique to that claim, so that it's more dynamic and also more kind of optimized. Thanks a lot for your support. Have a great day. Bye bye.